So what's going on, guys? We're out. Oh, link's still on. Oops. Gotta do MMA. Man, I'm so busy out. Oh, there's construction going on, so that'll do it. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to record any of this MMA. You're not allowed to, but at the same time, even if you were, it's kind of hard to record it. So we'll see what happens. And this visor gets dirty fast. I just cleaned it. Kind of cool, all the clouds. They're like different layers strung out over top of each other. It's wet, yeah. Power! So I'm in second gear, and I'm doing 90. Easily. Barely on throttle. Stupid. This bag in my back, man, I can just feel the wind hitting it, just pushing me around. Let this guy go in front of me. Might go right after this. Trending nice out. Cruising down now, let's go. This bike feels so good on the highway, better than the old one. Which, before I sold it, I hopped on it the day of I sold it, and man, that bike felt so heavy now, and actually a lot more comfortable than this bike, because the seat had way more cushion, and I found it more sport bikes aren't like as known as a neutral seating position, where like you're sitting like pretty straight up, but compared to that one to this one, there's a big difference. Even the newer ZX R that I sat on had that same, like, it was pushed out, you leaned a lot more. And the seat gripped your ass a lot more on that older bike too. A lot more cushion. This is like pretty much one little sheet of memory foam That's it. And the power band on this bike is a lot better. There's more power lower down in RPMs, between like 4 and 5, 6. So it's more get up. You don't have to rev the bike out a shit ton like in older bikes. And it's faster, dude. It's funny, I find a lot of the cruiser guys don't wave. Super rare for them to wave. Is that blood? The fuck? I was putting one of the, so it was like liquid all over the fucking road. It looked like blood. Oh, it was all red. And it seems so congested. I don't know why. What am I hearing? Wobbling. Oh, I think I found it. My mic adapter is getting a little loose. That's probably it. Man, this guy's walking into a fucking 2x4 pizzazz. Jesus, man. It's like, oh, I can't move. No, don't want to get cut. Don't want to get cut. Oh no, I'm cut. Oh shit. If I'm gonna go for a ride though, where should I go? I don't know. I could grab Whistler quickly and see what happens. See how fast I can go. That's not the wisest idea, so it's a fun idea though. And this bike's just so flickable, I love it. But so sturdy at the same time. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, you can't tell I'm listening to music. Whoa! Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Cars go. Just for my sake. Man, that looks like fucking crap, man. Looks like hard to get rain down, boys. Rain down real hard. The Black Hercules, you know. yeah, so I want to go for a little ride to get some pictures of the bike, but oh, it's fucking dark. I gotta put these visors up. I don't know, if it starts to rain, I don't really wanna be on the road. It's not that I'm not confident. It's not fun to ride in the rain. You gotta like really watch out what's going on and not take corners too sharp. This guy coming into my lane, not coming into my lane. Like, what are you doing here, bud? I need that lane. I want that lane. Not so much I need it, I want it. But yeah. I don't know what that, I don't know if it's like dust or dirt or what, but why is this guy pulling off? What's going on here? Did something like fall off it, or I don't know. I don't know. Actually, no. See, over there is so nice, but over here it's like a storm show. I need to eat either way, so I don't know. I haven't eaten anything. I legit just got Fresca. And see this off-ramp right here? I was going around the turns. They're not sharp turns, but I looked down and I was doing 100 to the whole fucking thing. I'm like, oh, okay, I have a death wish. Yep, I have a death wish. Death wish, yep, it's approved. Yep, okay. And like the recommended is fucking 50. I am a lunatic. And these are looking a bit wet, so I'm not gonna go that fast. Still went like 80 through the whole thing. But yeah, I was like really fucking close to that yellow line there through the turns. So I'm like, yeah, not a fun feeling when you realize how close you are to the fucking curb. There's a pillow. Oh, there's a pillow. Yes, you go, yes, you know, there's a fucking pillow. Oh, 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 oh. Do I want stuff that's at home, or do I want to go get food? Nah, I'll eat stuff at home. I don't really want to spend any money, and I'm all sweaty and I'm kind of hungry now, so I'm good. I'll see what I got at home. What? I know what else? I know there are no more chicken street. I think I'm gonna grab no, I don't know what else there is in my house right now. I think there's like a sausage there, stuff. I don't know. That's smooth acceleration. Slowing down. Oh, and I'm too late for the. Oh no! I'm too late for this. Oh, fuck! Maybe if I go in here, I'll set this bitch off. But I just realized I might be too late for this light. Oh no. Could be fucked. But I also could just be off-centered, like the one by the gym. I really hope that's the case. Because if not, I'm SOL and JUL. Shit out of luck and jolly out of luck. No, wait, what is it? What does George Carlin say? Shit out of luck and jolly. Oh, JOF. Shit, jolly well luck. Fuck. Whatever he says, I'll probably put the audio up right now. Something jolly well fucked and shit. Yo, shit out of luck, jolly well fucked. Some shit like that. I'm gonna move up because I'm too late to set this bitch off. I'm too late to set the fucking thing off. But yeah.